For more updates, subscribe to our channel.
Hello everyone, welcome to My Dreams Academy. For more videos regarding ESET examination, please do subscribe to My Dreams Academy YouTube channel. And this is the continuation video for Telangana ESET examination 2019 paper. Already we have done one video regarding that one, and next video. So question number 11, fractional pitch winding. Fractional pitch winding is employed to improve the cooling. It will never improve the cooling. Next one, reduce copper losses? No. Increase the generated EMF? No. It is used to reduce the spark. Fractional pitch winding is used to reduce the spark at brushes. Okay. This is the question number 11, and we will see question number 12. That is, which DC motor generally preferred for cranes and hoist? Okay, cranes and hoist. So which motor will use? Which motor having high torque? That motor will use it in cranes and hoist. So DC series motor having highest torque. So torque is directly proportional to armature square. So DC series motor used in cranes. Next one, the expression for air gap length is, so 13th question, the expression for air gap length Ig is equals to 0.5 to 0.7 AC into tau divided by 16 lakhs into kg Bg. Option A is correct for 13th question. Next one, 14th question. DC motor used for Ward-Leonard method. Ward-Leonard method is used to control the speed of DC motors. It can be below rated speed as well as above rated speed. So which motor used for Ward-Leonard method? The motor used for Ward-Leonard method is separately excited DC motor. Option A is correct. Next, 15th question. That is, in primary battery, chemical reaction is, we have two types of batteries, that is primary battery and next one is secondary battery. Primary battery and secondary battery. In secondary battery we can able to recharge again. Okay, but in the primary battery we cannot recharge. It is not rechargeable. So options are reversible, irreversible, absent, constant. If we can able to recharge, then that is called reversible. If we cannot able to recharge, so that is irreversible. Next, question number 16. Potentiometer is basically a potentiometer. Okay, so option A, deflection type, option B, null type, option C, deflection as well as null type, option D, digital instrument. Actually the potentiometer is null type meter. Okay, so if we keep on changing the adjustable, then at one particular point it will give 0. Because of that we call it as a null type instrument. Next, question number 17. So the question number 17 is, which of the following is active transducer? Active transducer means without giving electrical input it will produce voltage or current. That is called active transducer. So if we give electricity to the transducer, it will give voltage and current. That is called passive transducer. So I will read the options. So option A, photovoltaic cell, photo emissive cell, option C strain gauge, option D thermistor. So in this PV cell, that is nothing but solar panel cell. Okay, PV cell is a active transducer, remaining all are passive transducers. Next one, question number 18. Principle of operation of LVDT is based on the variation of. So the principle of operation used in LVDT is mutual inductance. Option B is correct for 18th question. Next one, 19th question. That is error in CT due to. Error in CT. CT is nothing but current transformer. So error in CT is due to core loss. Option A is correct for this one. Next one, last question. True power is defined as. True power is nothing but active power. Actually we have three types of powers in AC. That is active power, apparent power and reactive power. This is active power P and this is reactive power Q and this is S, that is apparent power. Apparent power is V into I, and if it is the phase angle pi, P is defined like this, that is VI cos pi, and Q is defined like this, that is VI sin pi. So the question is asked about active power, that is nothing but real power. So the real power formula is VI cos pi is the correct answer. If it is asked reactive power, that is VI sin pi. Okay, thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please do subscribe to My Dreams Academy YouTube channel. Thank you all.